Hello guys, this is Anant. Since it is night over here in India, so tonight I'll be showing you how to install a RAM in your system. So you don't need to go to an expert for this things. You can do this at your home too without any professional help. So I'll show you the basic steps on how to remove your battery. For your knowledge, this is an Acer laptop, Acer P series travel made laptop, but this knowledge you can use it anywhere for any laptop. So now you have replaced this battery. Again, turn on so that any static charge should go. Now replace it with the help of screwdriver. Now the thing is, how would you get to know that where the RAM is placed over the whole area? So uh, let me give you a hint. Search for an appropriate symbol of RAM. Remove all the screws. uh, this is the hard drive. What I'm concerned is with this RAM slot. So recognizing this RAM slot is very easy. So in my laptop, as you can and I can see, is we have got two slots for RAM. I guess this for 4 plus 4, and for your respective model you should consult your manual. Now take out the RAM. Now you can see that there is a engraved rectangular part here. Now carefully insert it. I'm going to insert it down here. See, with a little push, fix it. You'll get a click sound of the clippers. Then it's done. Even a newborn baby could do this, right? If you find this video useful and if you have any question regarding it, please ask in the comment section. And thanks for watching this video.